Important community development programs in India. One, Integrated Rural Development Program, IRDP. The program was launched by Center in March 1976 as a major instrument of the government to alleviate poverty. Its main features was to enable selected families to cross the poverty line in a given time frame by taking up self-employment in various activities like agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry, weaving and handicraft and services and business activities, etc. Second, training rural youths for self-employment, TRISEM. This scheme was launched in 1979 to provide technical skills training to rural youths between 18 to 35 years living below the poverty line to enable them to seek employment in fields of agriculture, industry, services and business activities. As in other schemes of poverty alleviation, in this scheme also youth belonging to SCs and STs, an ex-serviceman who had passed 9th class were given priority, 1/3 seats were reversed for women. The beneficiaries of this scheme after completion of training were observed in the IRDP scheme. Food for Work Program, FWP. This program was introduced in 1977 by the government with the objective to provide employment to the unemployed, underemployed village persons during the low season. The wage paid to the workers were in quint, that is food grains. The works undertaken were flood protection, maintenance of existing roads, construction of new link roads, improvement of irrigation facilities, construction of school buildings, medical and health centers, and panchayat, community halls, etc. 4. National Rural Employment Program, NREP. This is designed program of FWP planned for creating additional employment opportunities in the rural areas with the help of surplus food grains. It was started in 1980 as a part of 6th plan. This program was especially for those rural people who largely depended on wage employment but had no source of income during the slader agricultural period. PRIs were actively involved in this program. Later on, this program was merged with Jawahar Rozgar Yojana. 5. Rural Landless Employment Guarantee Program, RLEGP. Special schemes were formulated by some states such as Maharashtra and Gujarat to provide increasing employment opportunities to rural people, especially landless people. Maharashtra started the employment guarantee scheme for the unemployed in the rural areas. The Gujarat government schemes provided for unskilled jobs to the employed workers on different projects. The scheme was later on merged into JRY along with NREP. 6. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana JRY. This program came into existence in April 1989 with the merger of the NREP and the RLEGP. Under this scheme, it was expected to provide at least one member of each poor family, BPL family, and employment for 50 to 100 days in a year at a work near his or her residence. About 30% of jobs under this program were reserved for women. The scheme was implemented through village panchayats. 7. Antyodaya Yojana. The Hindi word Antyodaya is a combination of two words. ANT meaning end or bottom level and Udaya meaning development. Thus, as a whole, it implies the development or welfare of a person standing at the end of the line, lowest level, that is, the poorest of the poor. 8. Pradhan Mantri Adarsh Gram Sada Yojana PMAGSY. It focuses on integrated development of 100 villages with a 50% population of SCs. 9. Bharat Nirman Yojana. It was launched in 2005 for building infrastructure and basic amenities in rural areas. It comprises of 6 components: rural housing, irrigation, drinking water, rural roads, electrification and rural telephony. 10. Indira Awas Yojana. It is one of the 6 components of Bharat Nirman Yojana. It was introduced in 1985-86. It aims to help build or upgrade the households of people living under BPL. 11. Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewal Mission JNNURM. It was launched on 3rd December 2005. The main objective of this scheme was fast track development of cities across the country. It was focused especially on developing efficient urban infrastructure, service delivery mechanism, community participation and accountability of urban local bodies and other agencies towards citizen. Rajiv Avyas Yojana RAY. This program was announced in June 2009 with an objective to make the country slum free. 13. National Rural Health Mission. It was launched to make basic health care facilities accessible to the rural people. 14. National Food Security Program. On the pattern of MNREGS, the central government is trying hard to bring a bill in the monsoon season 2013 to provide guarantee for food to the poor people, although it has already issued an ordinance in this regard. Thank you. Have a nice day.